Tornado watch number 6, effective until 2 a.m. Monday or 3 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, White, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warren, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons...
Is the EAS on Little Rock?
The current time is southwest.
There's an EAS on Little Rock.
Play it!
Play it!
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Southern Prairie County in central Arkansas, west central Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, southern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, north central Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, northwestern Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas until 8 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 4 miles south of England, or 20 miles north of Pine Bluff. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous